What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Stockwatch, the series where we watch stocks and stocks watch us. And today we're returning to Uber after 1 week of having these shares. And first, starting off with the price difference, it used to be valued at $27.90 1 week ago, and it's currently at $28.56. That's a $25.08 profit. And if you look at total return, it's only reflecting $8.46 because at some point I was at negative 18, so kind of recuperated from that. In terms of updates for shares, I did add 11 more shares to my position, so now sitting at 38 shares for an equity value of $1,085 of Uber. And it currently makes up about 15% of my portfolio, so I think this is where I'm calling it like a position, and I won't really be adding any more shares to this unless it drops below like $27.70, and I doubt it's gonna hit that point again. It could, but even if it does, I'm not gonna go crazy and buy like 5 shares at a time. Like, I'm really just gonna buy 1 or 2 more so that it's an even 40, but that's only if it dips below that price point, because I just have so many Uber shares, and I think I need to start putting more money into ETFs, because I want to show you how much I've made so far with ETFs, but I think that I should save that for the 1 month updates. But I have been getting a steady stream of profits from ETFs, and I want to have more shares in that. So basically, any kind of big news is they did lose their London license, so they're not getting any business right now in London. Well, they are, because they can still have Uber riders over in London until it's officially ended, and they're appealing it in court, but they did lose it. It just came out a couple days ago, and they're currently appealing it again, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but that made the stock drop below to 27.70-ish range, and that's when I bought 11 more shares. In the long run, I feel like it's going to recover from all this, also considering that revenue from Uber Eats is still in the negative, so they're not getting money from it, but at some point it will be. And Uber Freight is still in the works, same with their helicopter service, and they're also developing some kind of autonomous driving vehicle, so then it'll be more profitable. And at $28, I feel like this company is going to be worth a lot more in the near future, and that's why I decided to build such a big position in my portfolio. So some of the benefits of owning Uber are that it's a great growth stock and there's plenty of room for growth. It also has a very cheap valuation at the moment, and sure, it's a speculative stock, but it does hold a lot of potential. Personally, through the research that I've done, I've decided that it's like not that risky, considering it's $28.56 per share, and that there's a lot of room for growth. So this is one stock that I did not feel fearful in investing this much money into. I am going to be putting more money into ETFs, as I previously stated, but that's just in general. I want to have most of my portfolio be ETFs, and this is my stock that I decided to have as like speculative. And I feel like this is kind of the end of the video, just showing everyone how it's been performing for the past week. I'm happy with its performance. I'm overall up $8.46, and that's after recovering from that dip where I was negative $18 on my position. So I'm excited to see what happens after this 1 week, and hopefully it starts going up higher. And I'll make sure to make that update video after 1 month. Oh wait, I forgot to say if I was gonna buy, sell, or keep. I'm gonna keep all my shares, and unless it drops below $27.70, I won't buy any more shares. So that's kind of my judgment call on this stock. I'll get back to everyone after 1 month and seeing how it's performed. Thanks to everyone watching this and watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.